What's going on, card family? 30K Colazzo back at you with another video. We're going to do some miracles today. I'm going to show you guys how to doctor up and fix any kind of card, no matter how bad the condition is. The card could be dragged through mud. It can have the biggest creases, dinged up corners, roughed up edges, surfaces, no matter what. I'm going to show you guys how to bring cards back to life and make them look brand new. So I'm going to show you guys how to have a couple damaged cards. This 98 Peyton triple thread, and we have this 2012 freshman fabric Andrew Luck. So we're gonna bring these bad boys back to life. All you have to have is this special box right here. Now this box right here does many special things. For one, you could tell it to give you any kind of card in the world and it'll deliver you the card. Number two, it'll give you free cash. Number three, it'll fix up cards. So we're going to put this box to the test. We'll start with this first card. Really messed up card. Really messed up. So, crease up here. Really bad crease over here. Corners are dinged up. So we're gonna bring this bad boy back to life. Let's try this out. Now this box is actually powered by this crystal right here. So let's try it out. See what happens. Remember how it looks, guys. Alright guys, so the instructions told me to wait 30 seconds and then press the button. So I waited 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. The moment of truth. Let's see if it delivers. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. Look at that. The crease is gone over here. The crease is gone. Beautiful corners. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Let's try another card. I have this 2012 Andrew Luck certified freshman fabric, and you guys see really bad crease over here, really bad crease over here. So let me try it again. Oh, we got another crease over here. So, see if it works for this card too. Alright guys, I waited 30 seconds again. So let's try this again. Let's see if it works. Looking good so far. Man, would you look at that. Brand spanking new. Crease over here is gone. The crease over here is gone. And the crease is over here. Wow. That's truly amazing. So guys, that's how you doctor up any kind of card. Get you a box like this. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace. Man, how am I going to get this money for these new Peytons? Let's try this out.